Hi, I'm David Herman. Let's assume you have a business plan in mind, but like so many budding plans, it's vague, incomplete, and not yet trustworthy. I'm going to show you how the U-template can transform all these ideas into a masterful and likely to be foolproof plan. Here's a picture of your current thoughts floating around in your head, loosely, disorderly, and hard to get your head around. Here's how, on your own, you might start to sort out and simplify your thoughts into fewer and more manageable subgroups. This first idea is always a good start, but it will rarely be sufficient. Notice that when you fail to anchor your ideas onto a piece of paper or into a software application, they'll continue to float around elusively and evade the close analysis they strongly deserve. In other words, you won't be able to get that important fix on them. You'll need to decide for certain whether or not they all stack up against each other and make sense as a whole. Here's the U-template taking you a step further in the analytic process, helping you to enlarge on your ideas, to sort everything out, and finally, to put them in place in a way that's logical and makes them easy to retrieve and think about. As this process unfolds, your ideas separate into short keywords, broad explanations, and narrow and specific supporting data. This is how your mind will be put to work once your ideas have been fitted into their proper places. The arrows indicate just a few of the many comparisons and considerations you can make during this extensive review process. Once you've scanned all of your material every which way and reviewed them in context, here's the big picture that finally emerges. Furthermore, there's a story from beginning to end within this picture. Here you can see how your ideas have grown from their roots in the past, their final consolidation into a step-by-step action plan,